I think SCO has come up very well, and it has become sort of a model as far as multilateralism is concerned. And I think more importantly, it has emphasized unity and mutual trust. It has strengthened the foundation of peace and security. It has become sort of like a powerful engine to achieve common development and common prosperity in the region. And I think it has also been able to forge closer cultural ties, or I would say, people to people connection and connectivities to promote a common understanding between the nation. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization, under the ambit of Shanghai spirit, it adheres to the, I would say, free flow of ideas, technologies, and commodities that envisions a world that is interconnected, interdependent, and multipolar.